Network Entertainment.
Ano yung mga lessons that you can share that you learn from your experience there for the people who will be joining Motor Rally or even want to explore Mongolia? Don't do what Inigo did. Ano ba yung mga lessons?
Well, of course, syempre, enjoy the ride kasi iba yung beauty ng Mongolia so you have to enjoy the ride.
Alam ni Mark yun?
Ayan.
Yung mga yak, sobrang pogi, di ba? All right, we've got our good friends here. Again, we've got FJ Moto, Don Joseph. What's up?
What's up?
Kumusta negosyo, pare?
Medyo masakit.
Umayaw.
And then the only local motorcycle gear manufacturer that makes sizes for Mark and me.
Big enough.
And me.
Inigo from Grit. What's up, Inigo?
Hello. Hi, Tunay na Rider.
Pangilan beses mo na dito, dude?
I don't
Fifth?
know. Parang si Mark lang naman.
Si Don Joseph,
Hindi, mas marami
pangatlo?
Hindi ko na rin alam, kuya.
Marami na rin, diba?
M2M.
Basta from time to time, nandito yung mga yan.
And ito, I think he lives on the bike and he sometimes goes home to shower.
Wow.
Sometimes
Sometimes
goes back to the Philippines, maglalaba lang yun ng mga damit. Tas,
and then aalis ulit. Para tipid, di ba?
This year, that's kind of true.
Breakfast ride sa
Diba?
Mongolia. Tapos,
Guilty siya.
Talo yung TLR. Yung breakfast rides ni Mark. Aabot kayo ng Hong Kong, Mongolia, Himalayas.
US, mga ganyan.
All right, none other than the Mark Sung.
International Boodle King.
International.
Ambassador of the world.
Local boodles are so boring now. International, di ba?
Hindi siya kontento, paiyakin ka sa Pilipinas. Kailangan umiyak ka sa Mongolia.
Abroad.
And that's actually what we'll be talking about tonight. And of course, Kirk from The Lost Boys. What's up, Kirk?
The Lost Boys.
Good evening, Tunay na Rider.
Yan. Okay. Iba, bilang magkakaiba ng ng kumbaga pinanggalingan pero isang passion, kilalanin natin sila. Why don't you guys introduce yourselves? Unahin mo, kay Don Joseph.
Yeah. What's up? Don Joseph of FJ Moto Enduro. Sabi ni Mark kanina, boring na yung local rides. For me, boring na yung local events.
Ganon? So pag dito ka nag-event, medyo, meh.
Hindi naman, joke lang yan. Dito pa rin.
Half meant.
Nako, alam ko, every time, yung mga tropa natin, kung may naglalaro ng pusoy, kung may bagong sumali sa game, yun ang yun ang taya. Si Inigo yung taya ng lahat eh.
Oh. Bakit? Paliwanag. Bakit?
Bakit ba?
Ikaw yung binubudol nila lahat.
Yeah. So, ever since naman. So, ako yung number one budol, especially
Ikaw
from
number
this
one
guy.
victim of everyone.
But, I'm Inigo from Grit. Batuhin na local gear eh. Joke lang. Yun po trabaho natin.
Si parang Moscow Moto to eh. Diba? Parang si Moscow Pete.
Oh.
Hindi lang sa Pinas tinetest.
Moscow Taytay.
Hindi lang sa Pinas tinetest yung equipment, pare.
You know what's-
Exactly.
sa buong mundo.
You know what's funny, Iba? Si Inigo, tumira dito, diyan lang sa labas ng studio natin. Pero pumunta siya dun sa lugar ng dati nating studio.
Not following directions.
Yun ang TLR.
Long way around.
Oh, long way around.
Okay, next, Mark.
Yeah, my name is Mark Sung, semi-retired. And walang magawa, so just looking for things to do for now until I find a new job.
Yun eh. Walang magawa, no? Walang magawa.
Alam mo, Mark, mag-contractor ka, in daw yan na negosyo ngayon. Sure ang returns.
Waiting na ng flood control sa Mongolia.
Oh, bumabaha ba doon?
Hindi. Pinoy style, di ba?
Ghost Project ang sagot dyan. Oh, ikaw, Kirk.
I am Kirk of the Lost Boys PH.
Anong ginagawa ng The Lost Boys, bro? Saan ba nagra-ride to? Anong trip nito?
Basically, talaga, overlanding, car camping, and adventure riding.
Okay.
Anything outdoor actually.
Mga off-grid
Oh,
adventure.
yan.
Okay.
Tsaka mga hidden gems, yun yung mga forte ng The Lost Boys.
Naku, kaya pala magkakasundo ang mga trip nyo, no? Pare-pareho. Okay, Iba, baka may tanong ka.
Okay, so I guess my first question is really, para sa mga hindi nakinig kasi we've covered FJ Moto, who haven't heard those episodes yet. We've covered FJ Moto a lot. No, maybe you can tell us a little bit about FJ Moto, Don Joseph, at paano umabot sa Mongolia para maging motor rally.
So, FJ Moto started really as hindi alam ng madaming di nakaalam na nag-start kami talaga scooter shop sa Marikina. Kaya lang, yung area kasi namin sa Marikina, magkakatabi, puro scooter shop na.
Then nagkamali lang kayo ng spelling. So instead of D, nagiging F.
Oh, so, kuya?
Fun Joseph.
Since nag-shift ako sa dirt bike, enduro, sabi ko, i-convert ko na yung shop as an enduro shop. Kaya naging FJ Moto Enduro siya.
Okay.
Ayun. So, yun. So, 2019 kami nag-start. Tapos, dumaan yung pandemic. Bukas-sara. Tapos, yung talagang business ko, which is construction, nung time na yun, hindi pa talaga siya fully open. Hindi pa pwede. So, wala akong magawa. Ang ginawa ko, naggawa ko ng first ever event namin, which is ang title na FJ Moto Mountain Cross ay talagang title siya ng enduro race, dirt bike race, enduro cross race. Na ginawa ko siyang series. So nung time na yon, 2022, doon ko ginawa yung unang-una naming series na talagang siguro dahil yung mga riders sabik sa mga events, talagang dinubog kami ng mga participants. Yung isang leg namin, nag-average kami ng participant mga sana 250 to 300 riders per leg.
Yan ba yung Kuya Don Joseph, yung sa Magallanes, Cavite?
Bali, first leg namin sa Montalban, second leg sa Magallanes, tapos third leg sa Nakar.
Nag-cover ako nung Magallanes leg nyo. I was
Hindi
there.
tayo magkakilala.
Oo.
Sorry, kuya.
Pero, yan yung yung para may pader na tumutulong na yung mga lokal pag may bumagsak na rider. Kasi mahuhulog pa balik. Literal. Yun. Hardcore.
So, nung time na yun, siguro sakto din kasi nung time, yung laro na enduro, yung enduro cross, parang that time, hindi pa siya mainstream masyado. Kumbaga parang palaro lang ng barangay captain, ganyan. So, although ginagawa na siya may mga races na rin sa Enduro Factory before, kami yung ginawa namin yung parang talagang nag-focus kami ron. So, nakapag-race din ako ng motocross together with Ted Conde. Tapos, pero naging focus ko talaga, enduro cross din. Tapos, nagkaroon lang ng asaran sa FB kasi yung first race namin, parang sinabi ni Kuya Joel Munoz dun sa Adventurer page. Sabi niya parang, ang dali-dali naman ang ruta nitong karera na to. Dapat nagdagdag na sila ng adventure category.
Sandali, sorry. What is enduro cross?
Enduro cross is karera ng dirt bikes sa trail.
Off-road papunta sa simbahan.
Ibang cross yun.
Punta sa DPWH ko yan. Ayun. So, yun. Sinabi ni Kuya Joel na parang basic lang daw yung route. Sana nagdagdag ng adventure category. So, nung nabasa ko yung comment na yun, sumagot ako.
Lagot kayo sa
Sabi
akin.
ko, okay, bukas.
Puro kayo reklamo Next time, sama kayo.
So, kinabukasan, naglagay na ako ng adventure category. So, doon nag-start na may adventure bikes na kasali sa events namin.
Okay.
Tapos, syempre, parang naisip ko naman, nakakatawa naman kung doon sa saling adventure bikes kasi hindi naman talaga basically lahat ng sites namin hindi naman talaga kaya ng adventure bike. So after a month ng last leg namin, doon ko ginawa na yung first ever FJ Moto Mountain Cross Adventure. So
Ito na yung waypoint.
yes. So nag-start kami with 88 participants. Yung second namin naging 150. Tapos yung third naging 300. Tapos yung last namin is 400 riders.
Wow.
Ayan.
Wow. Okay. So now, ano yung Moto Rally naman?
Si Kuya Mark siguro niyan. Siya ang magpauso nito eh.
No, please,
Nako.
Please proceed. Yeah, well, I'll just start with the relationship. The relationship, I developed a relationship. It's my...
Paki-clear yung relationship ah.
Yeah, it's my it's my fifth.
Sobrang malalim na relationship. Babalik-balik siya doon eh.
I've been to Mongolia 5 times. This is going to be my 6th trip and my 3rd this year. This is my 3rd trip to Mongolia this year. So I've developed quite a good relationship.
Ako mga relationship ko, sa Quezon Ave lang eh.
Kaya hindi mo yung babalik-balikan, Kuya. Ito binalikan ng 6 na beses.
Mga 2 beses lang okay na ako eh.
Okay. So they asked me to be the Philippine representative to represent the Yamaha Tours Total Advent Tour. But I said, there's only one guy who can do a good job for this, and I wish I could pretend I could do as good a job, and that's Don Joseph. So Don Joseph actually hosted a Mongolian rider here in the Philippines, and then he was hosted, and that's where the relationship started. Then I took him with me to Mongolia, and we closed the deal there. And we saw some opportunities, and please, Don Joseph, talk about the rally.
Before we went to the Mongolia trip this year, nagkaroon sila ng parang mini rally doon. Si Yamaha Mongolia was a partner of a riding group doon. So ginawa nila parang small version lang. And then natuwa sila, parang maganda daw yung outcome. They decided na gawin nilang mas malaki. So si Era asked us kung kaya namin magpasali to bring Filipino riders there. Nagkamali siya ng tinanong.
Nakakatuwa na parang dun sa Mongolia, big proponent of the scale up na gusto nilang mangyari. Mga Pinoy. Itong mga to.
Si Buck.
dahil nga sa relationship ni Mark.
Si Buck nandun dahil sa relationship ni Era eh.
Okay.
And they're very, very happy with Buck.
And sa sobrang ayaw ni Buck na makikita yung mga Pinoy, uuwi siya before they go there eh. Tangin namang mapapahiya lang ako dito.
Sa
diba?
lise.
Di joke yan, Kuya, no?
Hindi yan joke. Nakakahiya talaga kasama mga to.
Alright, last time naalala ko nung nag-patch in kayo dito, ikaw Inigo nandun ka, kasama ka nitong mga to. How's the trip and what's that trip about? Planning na ba yun na magiging ruta?
Doon ba
Di pa naman, pero well actually that's where a lot of things got sparked there. It's my first time there, Kirk as well.
Second international ride of Inigo.
Yeah, it's my second. Wow. Pero
Earmark.
Yeah.
The best travel agent to, pare. May hulugan.
Diba? Sapa. So, anyway, what do you call this?
Papahiram ka pa ng gear, di ba? Kung the right size.
Oo. Hindi, ang malapit doon, pag wala ka, bibili ka rin. Dude, you can't go with that shoes. So, anyway, it was really it's a different, playing field than, let's say, Himalayas. So it's kind of like, for me, I call it the playground of adventure because of its vast horizon, ganyan. And you can just chase anything. So it's really a different experience. And when we were there, actually, nawala kami. So nung nawala kami,
parang ikaw,
tapos,
parang today nawala ka dun sa...
Oh, parang gano'n. Nagpa-practice lang ako actually. Ng navigation, diskarte.
Hindi, naglagay siya ng waypoints. GPS yung ginamit niya.
So,
mali yung binigay sa'yo ni Kuya Don Joseph.
So, actually, nung nawala kami doon, it was me, Don Joseph, kasama rin si Kirk noon. Nawala kami sa grupo. So, bigla kaming na survival mode. Tapos parang, nung nakabalik kami sa camp, without any connection with them, nakabalik kami, doon biglang, kailangan natin gawin yung kailangan natin gawin yung rally.
Parang sabi namin, magaling talaga tayo. Hindi tayo nawala.
Hanapan ng ruta.
Yeah. So si Kirk has a lot of also experience itong
Wait, so Kirk, you're joining. So all of you guys are joining.
Yep.
Ikaw, team or organizer?
Playing coach.
Sabi ko kasi, parang syempre, international event na yun, dapat salihan ko yun. Tapos sabi ko kay Mark, kailangan manalo kami. So, yun.
Nako!
May may stated goal. Di ba?
practice naman.
Hi guys, we are the Eavesdrop Podcast. My name is Francesca.
My name is Jelly.
This is Delamar.
This is Jude. What's up?
Yeah, and we are inviting you to check us out, your fellow TPN podcast.
And if you want to learn more about life, what's happening around us, you want to know about love, healing, this is the podcast you should be listening to.
Eavesdrop, 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 eavesdrop. Sometimes we get drunk and do the show. Those are the fun ones.
Like today.
Ooh, why? Who's drunk? Like right now.
You're red as a bug.
Am I? Eavesdrop, please catch it. 4 hosts going crazy. You'll have fun. You'll cry. Everything else. So please check it out. The Eavesdrop.
Only on the Pod Network.
Pero just to be clear, hindi mo alam yung routes, diba? Hindi ko alam.
Uy.
Totoo.
Compare dun sa Kirk, dun sa mga adventure nyo dito sa Pinas, sanay ka sa hanapan ng hidden gem. Ano yung nahanap mo naman dun, bro, sa Mongolia? Coyote, mga ganon.
Malambing ba yung mga kambing doon?
Actually,
Parang sa Middle East yung kambing.
ang nakahanap, hindi ako, si Inigo. Ang nag-iisang swamp sa desert.
Uwe?
So, si Inigo, kasama si Nong Amor, isang friend namin. So, wala nga kami. Actually, nag-decide sila na humiwalay sa grupo kasi nga, papracticein nila yung rally mode na from point A to point B. The fastest way the fastest way from point A to point B is a straight line. So, yung destination namin, imbis na mag-road, sila, hindi, didiretsoy namin to. Ito yung fastest way. Ito yung way.
Desierto.
Yeah, so actually, beside the desert, no? Oo. So, nung tinake nila yung route na yun, sinundan ni Inigo and ni Nong, doon, na-discover nila nag-iisang swamp sa desert na lumubog yung motor, na kalahati ng motor.
Uwe, anong bike to, Inigo?
na kailangan pa namin silang i-rescue kasi hindi nila kayang buhatin. Kahit 3 tao yata, hindi kayang buhatin.
May
5 or 6 of us.
may guide kayo, di ba?
Umiwalay.
Kasama nila eh.
Dahil
So,
matigas
dalawa
nga
lang
yung
kami.
ulo, umiwalay sila sa guide, kuya.
Hindi.
Kasi rally mode.
Guys,
Ikaw pala yung dahilan na galit si Bak.
kasalanan ng FJ to.
Kaya pala nahihiya si Bak.
Ikaw pala. Akala ko the whole time. Akala ko mabait ka
Ay,
eh.
hindi, sasabihin ko na yung totoo Sinabi kasi ni Era nung time na yon. Sabi niya, hey Inigo, I want you to get lost and try the rally. Yeah.
Sabi mo,
ko,
sure.
Sure, I downloaded the map of Mongolia. So, ayun. Pero kasalanan talaga ng FJ lahat to. Kasi, ever since nag-FJ kami, ayun, parang feeling namin, kaya namin
Okay.
Doon namin na-test yung yung true distance of Cardo with straight line sight.
Ang ganda naman ng segue.
Perfect.
Ricardo, Ride Manila, Ride United.
Sila nakikita, biglang may narinig na kami boses, hello. Uy!
So,
May
loose
swap,
hope na
may
kami
swap.
noon. Loose hope na kami ni Nong noon. Sabi nga namin, tawagin na. Nagpalipad si Nong ng drone. Doon niya nakita, nasa gitna kami ng swamp. Tapos, may mga tao doon. Hindi kami makapunta, syempre. So, parang, nung time na yon, as much as we, hindi na, wala, kahit sigaw mo, makakarinig lang sa amin, kabayo eh. So, wala talaga. Tapos sabi, sige na, punta tayo dun sa may mga camel. So ako, Nong, dyan ka lang suot ako ng helmet. Pag suot ko ng helmet, may nagsasalita bigla. As in talagang malayo yung stupa kung nasaan sila.
Okay, so Kirk, ano yung mga lessons that you can share that you learn from your experience there for the people who will be joining Motor Rally or even want to explore Mongolia? don't do what Inigo did. Ano ba yung mga lessons?
Well, of course, syempre, enjoy the ride kasi iba yung beauty ng Mongolia. So, we have to enjoy the ride.
Alam ni Mark yun.
Ayan.
Yung mga yak, sobrang pogi, di ba?
Don't forget to enjoy the ride. And of course, syempre, we are riding in another country. So, at least, or we should be, parang responsible of ourselves. Dapat yung safety, lagi pa rin nating i-implement yun. Lagi pa rin nating iisipin. Kasi, again, ibang teritoryo to. Hindi natin alam kung paano ka i-rescue dun sa gitna ng kawalan na...
Na may nakalubog na kalahating
Correct,
So,
correct.
Kirk, safe pa yun, ha?
Yun yung,
So, safe pa yun, ha?
yun yung wake-up call. So, yun. And, yeah, siguro sa motor rally naman, strategy is key. Kasi dito sa motor rally, parang di ko alam kung nabanggit na, pero the shortest distance, yun yung basihan para manalo ka sa rally. So hindi yung fastest. So kasi ang typical rally is the fastest, 'di ba? Babanat kang ganon, sinong shortest time. This time, shortest distance of the group. So I think that's a very good tip para sa mga sasali. Yung strategy talaga.
Learn how to cut corners. Ganun.
Practicein mo yung from point A to point B na hindi ka mahuhulog dun sa swamp.
Okay, wait. Shortest distance. Baka Don Joseph, Mark, you can elaborate, expound on what that means.
Yeah, so the concept is, so this is the autumn...
Hindi si Inigo kasi long way round ka talaga eh.
So this is the autumn rally. So another thing we're up against now is the cold. It's hitting 0 to 1 degrees already.
-5 daw eh.
Yeah, it will go -5 at night. So that's the thing. So it's
Grabe.
5 days. We expect to cover 1,200 to 1,500 kilometers in 5 days. So you get the coordinates at the start of the day, and then you're given the coordinates where to go for that day, and you
Mark.
have to try to make it there before the end of the day, or get penalty. And the competition gets so tight now that some people win by 150 meters, 80 meters, 300 meters. Ganun yung...
May question ako dyan, Mark. Na-mention yung yung -5, 0, 1 degree. Sa klima natin sa Pilipinas, syempre dito tayo sanay. Ilang araw yung acclimatization period pag pumupunta ka dun?
Tayo na 20 degrees lang yung aircon.
Oh, di ba?
Ginaw na tayo eh.
Ako, you have to come prepared.
Yun na nga.
You just have to come prepared. Acclimatization with altitude and with temperature.
Plus altitude pa pala.
You really don't know until you're there.
Pero nakakatulong talaga pag may malambing na kambing. Diba?
Yun. Rhyming pa yun. Malambing na kambing.
Okay. Iba, natanong na natin lahat tong mga to ng tunay na rider question. May interesting akong spin andito sa Código. If you could pick one more Filipino rider to join your 3-man team, sino yun and why? Unahin mo kay Don Joseph. Sino yung isasama mong isa pa?
Si Bryce, di ba? Naka-Ducati.
Si Bryce.
Kaibigan mo ba yun?
Ako madali. Bakpago.
Hindi sasali sa inyo yun.
Uwi na
Sukang-suka na sa sa ride doon eh.
Yun yung idadagdag ko sa team ko, si Bakpago.
Oh, for sure.
Sino? Toti Alberto. May gusto ba kayo, Boss Toti?
Pasama na namin siya last year. Okay naman.
Si Señorito Alberto yun. Hindi ba hirap kasama sa camping?
Ganon?
Pero pwede to sa basta may hotel yung dulo, pwede si Toti.
O yun, game.
Siguro
Sino?
ako kuya pero pwede naman di pangalanan, di ba?
Yun ang tanong eh.
Sino? Tao to?
Huwag na, baka
Bakit?
makuadcom pa ako. Siguro kuya, meron lang ako isang tao na feeling ko parang nakita ko siya parang galing-galing, ganyan. So, gusto ko lang makita siya sa actual. Kasi hindi ko pa siya nakasama makaride. Pero hindi ko siya papangalanan.
Si Paul Tares ba to?
Basta yun. Gusto ko malaman na, gusto ko lang makita na kung ano yung mga pinapakita niya. Gusto ko malaman kung sa actual. Yun lang.
Parang controversy.
Parang
Parang ano.
hinahamon yata na
Medyo bad trip ako sa kanya. Kaya.
Okay. Kaya,
Tawag sa Blue Ribbon Committee.
Oo nga
pa to eh.
dapat sinabi mo kay Don Joseph, I invoke my right against self-incrimination.
Alam ni Kuya Mark, walang ya ako. Sasabihin ko pagka Pero ngayon, ayoko sabihin yung name.
In short, kaya gusto mong budulin, no?
Hindi naman.
May tamang panahon dyan.
Tatansyahan.
O, ikaw, Inigo, sino? Huwag ka mag-invoke ng rights against self-incrimination.
I have the right to pass. So, in a while.
Habang nag-iisip. Kirk.
Pahirap kasi well, to be honest, or for you guys to know,
Living or dead?
very limited yung mga naka-ride ko talaga. So, as in, started with one good
Prado
friend,
kasi
si Nong,
yan,
and then sila, Mark. Yun lang talaga yung circle ko. So, pero, mahirap kasi parang nakapunta na sila lahat yung mga very close friends ko And siguro anyone naman na who's willing, na feeling nila adventure riders.
May re-recommenda ako.
Sino?
Si Iba.
Next year.
Dadalhin ko yung kambing sa sidecar.
Yan.
You mentioned Paul Tires. They're working on a Paul Tires trip next year.
Ooh.
So we'll keep you guys.
Iba talaga to si Mark, yung
Pero
binubudol.
hindi na kami kasama doon. Siya na lang.
Baka kotse na ako. Sa kotse lang ako.
Si Paul Tares na yung binubudol ni Mark.
Nasa kotse.
Pambira.
Nasa kotse lang ako.
O yan, Inigo, may naisip ka na ba?
Wala pa.
O yan, basta si
Sino? Kahit sino.
Kapatid mo rider, ayaw mo isama?
Or na lang, what are the qualities?
Kung gusto niya.
What would the top quality be of the person that you
Ganito, sorry Si Inigo, mabait yan. Hindi na mabudol. Siya yung binubudol.
Siya yung recipient Siya yung recipient
Hindi
ng
lang
budol.
nadamay.
Tignan mo, may credit line siya kay Mark sa travel tsaka sa gears. Tama ba?
Diba?
student number 0?
Kahit amoy Mark, okay lang. Mahal yun
Okay. Qualities.
Something.
Mabango yan si Mark, mabango yan. Gusto kong amoy yan.
As opposed to...
Bakbago!
FJ,
Ano na lang.
Hindi, basta game, hindi maarte. Yan lang yun.
ligwak na ako agad dun, men.
Hindi maarte.
Ating pinaka-artist sa group namin.
Yung handang mawala.
Handang lumubog yung bike.
Handang mawala, yun yung I guess.
All right, last question. You guys have all been to Mongolia. What are your tips for the people going there?
Interesting.
Ako na magsimula.
Go.
Bad decisions equals good stories.
Agree.
Tama.
Ganda na tip na yan.
Dumb
pero wag niyo
decisions.
gawin yun. Kasi
Based on
safe.
experience yun.
Oo.
Dumb decisions, ika nga, leads to epic stories, di ba?
Correct.
Ganun din yun kung gusto mo maging kwento.
Kwento ka na lang, wag ganun.
Ang daming kwento about Inigo That's why he's made a lot of dumb decisions.
Kaya pala, top of
Tsaka
mind
yung mga
mo.
kaibigan ko, tignan mo. Kasi sa mga desisyon ko.
The dumbest.
That's another quote of Inigo. Choose your friends wisely.
Choose your friends
Apparently not.
badly. Better. Di ba? Mark.
Me and Iba were gear freaks. Prepare with the right gear because it's gonna be cold. So
What will happen, Mark, if you underdress? Kulang yung dala mong insulation, manipis jacket mo.
you have to figure out a way to improvise. Yeah. Like ways we've improvised in the past are
Kambing.
Yak.
So we surgical gloves under our riding gloves, trash bags as socks as extra. But yeah, yun na nga, mahirap. With that level of cold, it can get dangerous.
You gotta prepare.
Yeah,
You really
have
gotta
to
prepare.
Hypothermia ang kalaban, ganon.
Yeah, it's not just
Frostbite.
yeah,
dude.
it's not just it's gonna not just make it an enjoyable ride. It's like can be life or death.
Yeah.
Kasi
Magiging ordeal.
hypothermia is a killer. Sabi ni Bear Grylls yun.
It could turn it could turn into an ordeal real quick. Ika nga.
Kirk.
Download the map of Mongolia.
Mga offline map.
Offline map.
Okay.
Actually, si Nigo nagbanggit na to na learn how to read the offline maps kasi yung terrains doon.
Yung yung topography dapat ba?
Satellite
view. Kasi doon wala kang
Satellite tayo ngayon Starlinks.
Teka lang, para sa mga ilang nanonood dyan, may rekomenda ba kayong app for those offline map?
Well, ang na-recommend nung organizer is Gaia. And there's another one I forgot. But
Gaia Maps ME.
And there's another one.
Still have a real GPS.
As long as
Like a
it's
Garmin
offline.
talaga.
Para you
Yung
can...
dedicated. Don Joseph.
For the rally, kuya, or
For riding in Mongolia or for the rally?
Kahit leisure ride.
for both, parang yung rule din namin sa FJ, don't do something stupid.
Nako.
Oo. Tapos dito kasi yung mga tao sa bundok nakakaintindi pa ng Tagalog Doon talaga hindi sila nakapag-English, so yun.
Yari ka dun.
Medyo
Barrier agad, no?
Pero pinaka-importante talaga yun yung disiplina pa din. Siyempre, hindi mo mapigilan kuya. Minsan mararamdaman mo nagwa 140 ka na pala sa off-road So yun, medyo i-check lang lagi.
Siguro dadagdag ako. Dapat ready kang ready kang mag number 1, number 2 sa kahit saan. Kasi as in, first time ko doon. First international budol ni Mark sa akin. So doon ko na-experience na kahit saan.
Jibs ka.
Oo. Kung gusto mong dyan sa harap namin, di bala ka. Parang ganun. Or magtago ka sa puno. Ganun. Huwag lang malapit sa water source nila. Yun lang ang rule doon.
Ano bang anong creature sa water source na pwedeng...
No, I mean, wag malapit kasi...
Doon sila umiinom, dude.
Akala ko naman buhaya, mga ganun.
No, it's seen as sacred.
Sacred,
So even if you swim, they request you not to pee in the water while swimming.
Wow.
Yeah.
Right. Okay.
Hirap yan.
So dapat baon ka maraming wipes pag pupunta ka Mongolia.
Amazing.
At
Okay.
saka kung magna-number 2 ka, wag doon sa bush na makikita mong common, Makati yun
Yun ba yung experience mo?
Naranasan mo,
Bush,
boss?
Iwasan mo yung bush na yan.
Naranasan mo?
Mahirap pag number 2, kasama nyo si Nong Amor. May Zoom, tsaka may drone.
Nako. Wag mo okay, that's the ultimate tip. Wag mo isama si Nong Amor pag nag-number 2 ka.
Ako kasi yung nakuhaan doon
Huwag kang magpaalam kung mag-number 2 ka.
Para hindi may ready yung drone.
All right. So, that wraps it up for this episode of Tunay na Rider. Remember, discipline. Pick your friends wisely. Gear up. And then, you gotta have the right maps. And
Discipline.
And know how to do a 1 and 2.
Oo.
Ito yung mga tips, ha? And finally, kailangan mo malambing na kambing. That's what you need for the Mongolia Motor Rally. All right. Thank you. And that's it.
Wait. See you next year.
See you next year. Yeah. If you,
Iba, you
me.
have to come. Yeah.
Si Iba.
Sama ako.
Deal na.
Pakilala mo ako sa mga...
Mag-uwi ng kambing yan, si Iba.
All right.
On that note, take us out.
Ride hard, ride safe, ride tunay.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.